To use Canvas conferences, first go to my.uvu.edu and click Sign In, and sign in with your UVU ID and password. Then go to your class by clicking on Canvas and finding your class. Then click on your class to open it and go to the left menu where it says Conferences. You'll see a conference, sometimes with the date and time, and you'll click Join. Then you will click on the microphone so that you can speak, and you'll click Allow Microphone or click Yes if it works. Then you'll see that your teacher has started the conference, and sometimes they will say hello to you, and you can say hello back and say, hi, or good morning or something in the public chat, and everybody can see that. If you want to private chat with your teacher, click on your teacher's name, and then you can click Start a Private Chat, and then you can click Just Chat with your teacher or one of your classmates. Sometimes your teacher will include a PowerPoint presentation. If they do that, you'll see that here in the middle of the board, and everybody should be able to see that. Sometimes your teacher will allow you to write on the whiteboard. If you see that, you'll see a menu in the corner with a pencil, and you can choose a pencil and the size that you want, and you can choose the color. And sometimes they might have you choose something or put an answer, and you can do that. And if you accidentally make a mistake, you can just click this undo button. Or if you want to delete everything that you've done, you can click the trash button. You could also create a text box and write something. And then they will be able to see what you've written. Again, if you want to just go back or delete it, you can just click that back button. Sometimes your teacher will ask you a question, and maybe they'll say it verbally and say, how's everything doing? Or they'll say, do you guys understand everything? And so maybe you'll see a little poll in the corner that says yes or no. So you can click yes or no. And then you might see the answers in the corner of how many people answered or responded. Your teacher might also share a video with you. And that way you can check your audio and see, is it working? If it is, great. If you're not talking, make sure to click the mute button. But when you do want to talk, just click that button again and you can talk. If you need to rejoin the audio, click the phone button and click it again, and then you can rejoin using the microphone. If you want to share your webcam, you can click here in the webcam button, and then you click Start Sharing. And then you should see yourself appear at the top screen. Sometimes it takes a second to load, and that's fine. Your teacher might also put you into breakout rooms. And if they do this, you'll see a new screen and it says Join Breakout Room. And you just click Join Room. And you need to rejoin with a microphone. And then when it gives you that button, you can do that. And again, if you're talking, leave your microphone on. If you're not talking, go ahead and click mute. You can share your webcam so that you can see other people in your group. You can also see how much time you have left here at the top. So there's about a minute left. You might see a screen that your teacher had before. You can also share your screen by clicking this share screen button at the bottom, then selecting the screen you want to share and clicking share. So if you wanted to show them maybe something in your account, you could click on your account and they can see your account. And then when you're done, you can just click stop sharing your screen. And then when your breakout room is done, you'll just go back into the other room. You can also share the whiteboard by turning the whiteboard function on, and then everyone can write on the whiteboard and put answers there. You can also change the presenter. So in the corner, you'll see this blue icon and it says who's presenting. If you click on this button, you can take the presenter or set the presenter to someone else if you want someone else to be able to share their screen. And then once the breakout room ends, then you'll go back automatically into the previous room that you were in. So we'll just wait 2 seconds and then it will put us back. And then you'll notice we're back in the other room, but we have to rejoin the audio again. And click yes. Again, just mute your microphone if you're not talking. And then you can ask your teacher questions by the chat or by talking. And then when you're done, just, say goodbye to your teacher when the conference is finished. And you can also just click exit. And that's it.